Hi all, I am Vishwas Hemutur Shivappa, Construction Department, Hitachi Rail. Indian Railways is the national transportation lifeline, ferrying almost 8 billion passengers daily in about 13,500 trains. During the pandemic, Indian Railways served the nation by ensuring uninterrupted transportation of essential commodities like food grains and fertilizers. To strengthen freight rail, a key driver of India's economy, we collaborated with the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited and implemented a robust train protection and warning system for the landmark DFC project that assures safer and greener railways. Displaying resilience in the face of adversity, Hitachi India undertook proactive measures to curb the spread of COVID-19 and safeguard staff, health and society, including preparation and implementation of SOP, Stop the Spread campaign, Joining India Fights Corona movement, implementation of engineering controls and administrative controls for a safe work environment. By harnessing the power of digital solutions, Hitachi Rail prioritized humanity and encouraged the use of digital media and tools to deliver care at a distance. Hitachi Rail partnered up with hospitals in 4 different locations, undertook vaccination drives in full swing, and ensured mandatory thermal screening at construction sites and offices. Further measures like preventive health checkups and provision of adequate PPE at the site bore positive results. The proactive measures to ensure staff safety have enabled Hitachi to timely deliver its proven train protection solution for the landmark DFC project despite the pandemic and thereby support Indian Railways transformation for nation's progress. At Hitachi Rail, we are driven by the mission to ensure the world keeps moving towards sustainability, improved passenger experience and resilient infrastructure for now and generations to come.